I want to say a word about the separation of Jerome Waite from his long-time job as coach of Arnett Gardens Football Club. There are lots of factors at play here. The stated reason from the management of the club is that Waite's duties as the national senior assistant coach will take him away from Arnett too much. And with a young team in transition, the coach needs to be 100% focused on the team. And to be fair to Arnett Gardens, for a long time, Waite has coached the Charlie Smith Manning Cup team. He coached a business house team, and for the past 3 years, he's with the national program. Far from the perfect situation for a head coach of any club. But again, this is the reality for almost all our top Premier League coaches. It's not like the big coaches of Europe and elsewhere who are well paid so they can focus on a single job. It no works so in Jamaica. Our coaches have to hustle to make ends meet. And it is perhaps one of the reasons why none of our coaches have been able to make that big step up at the international level. It is physically and logistically impossible for one coach to adequately guide 3 teams at the same time. But again, that is our football reality. The man announced to replace Waite as Arnett coach, Alex Thomas, also coaches a Manning Cup team, so he won't be 100% focused either. But Arnett make them decision, they claim, with foresight and vision. I personally think it's a bad one. That's what you think.